Today we're making 2-ingredient fudge. I've never made it before, but I think y'all may like it. Let's get started on today's video. Okay, so you have all seen the TikTok videos, the YouTube videos on making the 2-ingredient fudge. I have never made this in my entire life, so I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but I wanted to give it a try. And if it's an utter failure, you guys will see it on camera. If you're interested in more conventional fudge recipes, I'll link it right here in the cards for you. All right, first thing you need to do, you need a 16-ounce jar of peanut butter. I'm using the crunchy. And a container, a 16-ounce container of frosting. I'm using the rich and creamy milk chocolate. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to pop this in the microwave for 1 minute and melt it so we can pour it in our bowl. Got that melted. Now we're going to put our frosting in again for 1 minute. While that's melting, we'll pour our peanut butter into our bowl here. Now we have our chocolate, we're going to pour that in. Now, from what I've seen, you can use any flavor frosting you want. You can use any style of peanut butter you want. I would even venture to guess that you probably could make this with other nut butters, almond or something like that. I am using the crunchy peanut butter, but you could definitely go with creamy if you didn't want the nuts in it. My regular fudge, I like to put pecans. That's my favorite thing to do. But if this had peanut butter and pecans in it, my husband might divorce me. Not really, but he would gripe. My daughter would gripe. So we're just going to go with the crunchy peanut butter. All right, I've got this well incorporated. We're just going to pour it in our 9x9 pan. And you're just going to spread it out. Now, you're supposed to put it in the refrigerator and let it set up for a couple of hours. So we're going to do that. I'll bring you back when it's set and I'll give you an honest review of this peanut butter chocolate fudge. See you back here in just a minute. Okay, our fudge has been in the refrigerator for about an hour. Maybe a little over. And we're going to cut into it and see how it is. We're also going to get old Papa Z in here to give it a taste. This is a little soft, so probably could let it set up just a little bit longer, but that's okay. All right, well, get over here where I can see you. It tastes just like a peanut butter.
Reese's, yeah.
It is really good.
It is good.
Who knew fudge could be that easy? Thank you for joining us today on Mama's East Texas Kitchen. We'll see y'all in the next video.